Good morning to all. Myself Deepak. Today I am going to introduce about my product. It is water level indicator to control the overflow of water of the tank. This I already did as a prototype. Now I did this prototype as a functional model and I fixed in my home. In this video I completely explain about my product and how I fixed in my home and how it is working and how much is cost efficient compared to other water level indicator. If you want to buy it or if you want to do it by yourself, I give the email ID for order and I give the abstract where you can do by yourself. In the abstract, I completely explain about my product. If you have any doubt, comment it.
Now I show how my water level indicator board is connected to the tank. I connected a pipe to the center of the tank. The pipe has this like of structure. The black wire is the earth which connected to the tank, and this red wire is connected to the tank for 10% of the to indicate the 10% of tank is filled, and this black is indicate for 25% of the tank is filled, and this red wire is for 50% of the tank is filled, and this black wire is for 75% of the tank is filled, and this red wire is for 95% of the tank is filled. When the water reach of this level, when this positive terminal and the earth is connected, the signal is passed to my board, and this signal is converted as a to indicate the percentage of the tank is filled. This is how I connected this wire to my room, and this wire is connected to my board to indicate the percentage of the tank is filled. Now we see how my water level indicator board. This is my water level indicator board. It has a switch to turn it on and off, and it has 5 lights to indicate 10%, 25, 50, 95 and 75 and 95. We can fix this board wherever we want. I fixed this board on my table to taking the video. When I turn the switch, it will show 25% because my tank now it is filled for 25%. When I turn it on, it show 25% because my tank is filled now 25%. I will drain to 10% and I will show how it is working and how it is buzzing when it reach 95%. Now I drain water from the tank and the water is reached the 10% wire, and the other wire is not touching the water. So the red wire which is touching the water, you can see the red wire is touching the water. Now it's not touching, now it is touching. So the red and the ground wire is connected, and the signal is passed to my board, and it will show 10% of water is only there in my tank. Now we will verify my board is showing correctly. We verify my board is working or not. When I turn on the switch, it should show 10%. Yes, it is showing 10%, and it indicates us our tank is just 10%. I turn on the motor switch and I will show how my water level indicator working function fully and how it is indicate the percentage of the tank, and finally it will buzzer when our tank reach 95%, and it indicate us to turn on the motor switch, and it reduce the overflow or control the overflow of water. Now I turn on the motor. Now my tank is turned on and the water is flowing to the tank. I parallelly turn on my water level indicator board. Now my tank is filled 25%, so my board is also showing 25%, and I will show for other percentage too when it is reached.
5 minutes later.
Now slowly my tank is filling 50%, so my 50% light is glowing.
15 minutes later.
Now my tank reached 75%, so the 75% light is turned on. When it reaches 95%, the 95% light is turned on, as well as the buzzer is turned on, and we want to turn off the motor switch.
10 minutes later.
Yes, now my tank reached 95%, so I want to turn off the motor. Mom, turn off the motor. This is my working of the water level indicator board. This is the abstract which I want you, which I want to show you all. In this, I clearly explain what are the steps we want to follow when we want to do by ourselves. Okay. Now I read some points which is necessarily. Okay. In India, especially Chennai, we waste the overflow of the water of the tank. Okay. We all agree this point, because in Chennai most of the houses waste this overflow of water. Okay, in my water level indicator, what I did is I indicated some percentage like 10, 25, 50, 75 and 95 to indicate us our tank is filled in this level. And I also indicate when it reach 95%, it sound an alarm which indicate us to turn off the motor switch, because our tank is filled 95 and we want to turn it off. This will help us to control the overflow of the water. Okay, what are the apparatus we need is these are the apparatus we need to construct our product, and what are the principle we want to know, because only copying and doing is not a right way of doing some product. So I just included some principle which we want to know. First is transistor and its principle, and second is the resistor and its principle. If you want to do by your own itself, you want to know this principle. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. If we want to do only one indication, if someone want to know, I only need a 95% indication, I don't need some other indication, so I included a circuit diagram which shows that if you want to do only 1% indication, we can use this circuit diagram and we can do the product. And this is the circuit diagram of our product. This is the overall circuit diagram, and I explained it clearly that with colors, the red color, purple, because if you want to see the red color of the tank is connected to the tank into 95, and the 95 is connected to DC resistor. This is the circuit diagram of my product. If you want to do by yourself, clearly watch it, and then these are the steps. If you want to do by ourselves, we can read these steps which explain clearly what are the steps we want to do. And finally, these are the advantages in our product. We all know that it's save power and it also save money. Okay, it also have a disadvantage. What is a disadvantage is it is not fully automatic. It is a non-automatic machine, because I did the non-automatic machine because it is much cost low than fully automatic machine. Then the 2.0 which I want to do the next version of my product is I want to display the percentage in digital display method, and I want to control the product by the mobile app. It is the next version we want to do. Okay, I want to show this only as the cost efficient. Why if you want to buy my product, what is the reason to buy my product is it is the cost efficient, because other product, I see the Amazon some product of water level indicator, it range from 1000 to 1500, but our product rates is just I show the my product rate is totally 360. These are the apparatus, these are the instrument we are using, and finally I included the total amount. This clearly shows that it's in this product is just 360, and I also included the product rate separately. This show why we want to buy this product, because it is cost efficient than other product. And finally I want to show this. Okay, what is the difference between other product and our product? Other product is high cost and our product is low cost. Okay, other product consume high voltage, because other product consume AC to DC, so it consume more voltage than our product. Our product consume only 9 watts DC, so our product consume very low voltage than other products. And installation of other product is some more risk, because we want to connect our home voltage, that means 220 AC voltage to that product, so we need an electrician to do that. But our product is just 9 voltage DC, which is very low voltage compared to that, and so we can fix it by ourselves by seeing the manual. Then this is the major advantage of other product than our product. If you want, if the current is turned off, we don't know what is the level of the tank, what is the level of the water in the tank, because the other product is run while in the other product runs only in the current on, because it needs a voltage of 220 volt, but our product needs only 9 volt DC, and it also connected with the battery. So if the current is turned off also, we can see the water level in our tank. This is the major and most important advantage of our product.
Now I will show what are the changes I did in the prototype into the finished product. This is the board which I did in my prototype. Its length is 32 cm and height is 17 cm. It is too large because we want to do a product in a portable product. We want to carry that product, so it is so big to carry. So I want to convert into a smaller size. So I think that I want to do in the motherboard. So I decided to do in PCB board. This is the PCB board. I did my product which is same what I did in my proto. It is look like this only which I did. Then this is the soldering work which I did, and its length is 10 cm and its height is 7 cm, which is 3 times smaller than the prototype. This is how my finished product look. Its length is 22 cm and its breadth is 7.3 cm. It is 1 time smaller than the prototype which I done previously. Thank you for watching. If you have any comment on this product, comment it, and what are the details you want to do this product, I give in the description box. Save water, save our future.